Hi, I'm Mariana Boccia, floral designer, and I partner with DP Flowers. They have amazing dry flowers. So today we're going to learn how to create your very own bouquet. This is what you get when you order your dry flowers. Remember, they have many options, color options, and this is to just take out your paper and you start opening your product. So at the beginning, it seems like it's not much, but you can start opening. This is a bicolor they have. It's very, very cool because you can play around these two colors. I mean, it's like orange, burgundy, red, and this is what you receive. 6 types of flowers. So you can decide, maybe you want to go for a base, maybe you want to do a bouquet. Today we are going to do together a bouquet. Basically this product is very nice because it's like a do-it-yourself arrangement that we are going to work together as just an example, but you can be creative and try to try new things. Sometimes we stick in the same idea all the time. There are many ways to do things. This is very different. It's a very bright orange color. This is the ponytails always. And look, you open your flowers, 6 types of flowers, and you will see there is a lot of product in there. So let's do a bouquet, right? A bouquet means a hand-tied arrangement. It's not in a vase, but you can always, do whatever you feel like it on that day for home flowers or maybe for a gift, and it's pretty cool. You can even add at the end natural flowers if you wish, if you have, so you make something different. Well, I start with one of our type of flowers. You place it in one hand and you start adding and playing around. It doesn't matter at the beginning if you're not sure what to do. I really like to always know if we're going to do a bouquet or a vase. Let's see how it looks like. But I feel it's going to look very nice because it's 2-color arrangement and it's different. So in DP Flowers you get to see many options. You can buy from the website, and we also have done other designs with other colors that you can go and see in the website as well. Try to open them because, for the delivery and transportation, sometimes it's very tight, but when you open them, you see, it's way better. And get creative and play with your designs. That is not wrong or right. And one of my favorite colors is the burgundy. That's why you see many warm colors around me, because I go a lot for the burgundies and browns. Are the flowers from DP Flowers come from Italy, so they are dry flowers, very special ones. I think they are based in Miami and they ship nationwide. For me, they are the most beautiful ones. I have been working with flowers for 6 years now, and when I found them, I just stick with them because they have many products and all they are quality products. It's great. It's great to see that we always have options, and when we think we have discovered all of them, then you get to see another one. So, yeah. Remember to, you choose a height and then you go down, or maybe you want to be a round but still you need always to have different heights, because if not it gets boring and you don't get to really appreciate the bouquet. So I'm going to do a round one this time, because we already did another that is one facet. So our bouquet, it's getting to look very pretty, and it's like a very fall color palette, maybe for Thanksgiving dinner or a gift. It's very fall color design, and you get to know how to do it yourself. Very easy. Remember, you place your flowers, you go around and see what do you need. This is basically with all the product that you will receive, and definitely a very, very good option for Thanksgiving dinner or celebration. So when you think it's done, which is very, very nice, you can always open it when you tie it, and you don't tie it that hard. You can always open it a little bit. You get to see them. One tip that I really recommend is to have a mirror. But let's say we finish, we need to tie our bouquet, right? Maybe directly with this, or maybe you have a floral tape. I have it somewhere. But you can tie it, and then, but actually first let's cut the level we want. Okay, so I'm going to cut in diagonal like this. Okay, so yeah, definitely a very fall and Thanksgiving perfect arrangement to bring someone or to have it at home. This perfect idea. So I do think it's the perfect option as a floral arrangement for Thanksgiving. I really like it. Remember, you can always play around our natural flowers if you like, or other ideas. So you tied it here. It's very, very pretty actually, and we still have some products, so you can place it around the house. And if we like, let's tie it a little bit more, or if you have a ribbon, you can add a ribbon. And it's done. Our do-it-yourself dry bouquet. It's so easy to follow. It's so easy, and it ends up being very nice. It lasts for 3 years or more. So it's a perfect idea or gift. And